Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with the questions from the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So the question that we'll be dealing with is of time, speed, distance and of races, basically races between multiple people. So it's a very interesting question and the likes of which we have seen in multiple entrance examination for your post graduation. Okay, so be it your GMAT, be it your GMAT is one of the most favorite questions of theirs. So we have seen a similar sort of questions being asked multiple times in this regards. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be continuing our discussion on this sort of question, basically races between multiple people, and then subsequently we'll try and solve the same so that we can get you a clear idea as in the approaches involved. Okay, now let's take a look. In a race, A beats B by 1/3 minute, B beats D by 7 by 6 minute, C beats D by 2 by 3rd minute. If A speed is 54 km per hour and the length of the track is 6,000 meters, then what is the distance by which B beats C? Okay, so suppose let me just give you a diagrammatical overview of the same. Suppose this is our track. Okay, and this is where the race is going to happen. Okay, so A starts, B starts and C starts. Okay, and also we have D. All these four starts. Now A beats B by 1/3 of a minute. So A beats B 1/3 of a minute, that is 20 second. No, beats B by 20 second. Okay, because 1/3 of a minute. Now B beats C by 7/3 of a minute. So B beats C by 7 by 6, that is 70 second. Okay, and C beats D by 2/3 of a minute. So C beats D by 2/3, that is 40 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds. So this is all the relation that we have. Now we have been given speed of A is 54 km per hour. So let me, since all the other units are in meter and seconds, so let me cover this into meter per second. So that is 54 into 5 by 18 meter per second, or 15 meter per second. And okay, so therefore time of A will simply be time of A will be the total track is of 6,000 meters by 15, that is 480. Oh no, 4, yeah, A takes 400 seconds. 16 4 is 60, right? 400 seconds. So therefore TB, B takes 420 seconds. Okay, C takes 490 seconds, and D takes 490 plus 40, 530 seconds to complete the entire track. Now what else do we need to find? We need to find the distance by which B beats C. Okay, so distance by which B beats C. Now if we take a look at the same, okay, so time of B, okay, and time of C, if we take a look at the ratio, is 420 by 490. Okay guys, my bad. B beats D by 7/6. Okay, hang on. We have made a little mistake in this regards. Just a second. So B beats D by 70 seconds. So D will be, time of D will be 490. Time of D will be 490 seconds. Now we need to, if we talk about time of C, then it's given C beats D by 2/3 of a minute. So basically C completes before C beats D by 40 seconds. So 490 minus 40, that is 450 seconds. Okay, this will be time of C. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now again, time of B by time of C. If we take a look at the ratio, this will be 420 seconds by 450 seconds. Okay, if I take out the ratio, this comes out to be 42, so we're 21. No, it won't cut with 21. Let me divide this by 3. So 1, 4, 1, 5. So 14 by 15. Okay. So therefore, speed of B by speed of C, since distance is constant, so ratio would be 15 by 14. Okay. So therefore, since distance is 15 by 14, so therefore speed ratio will be equal to distance ratio. Okay, so therefore when B completes 6000 meters, so therefore C is at nothing but 6000 into 14 by 15, or this will be 5600 meters. So therefore the difference would be B beats C by, therefore B beats C by 6000 minus 5600, or 400 meters. Okay, so this will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, the approach you have taken to solving the same. So in case you have any doubt, just go through the entire explanation of the same. This should come in very clear for you in this regards. Okay. Now having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of similar sort of question, please feel free to connect with us for any section. We will be more than happy to provide you with the same. Okay. Now if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.